friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about that and those. We are going to learn the concept, we are going to understand the concept of that and those. First of all, the word that. We use the word that about something that is far away from us, right? We use the word that for those things which are far away from us, and the word those is used for same thing but for plural. Did you get my point? Now let's have a look on this example to understand it more easily. We have a tree. Just for example, just suppose that this tree is far away from us. I mean, this tree is not near to us or not near to me. That is why I'll say that is a tree, right? And this is a single tree. And also this tree is far away from me. This tree is not near to me, and this is also a single tree. So that is why we will say that is a tree. Now there are three trees. Now these are three trees, and these are all far away from me. These three trees are far away from me. These are not near to me. So I'll say those are trees, right? Those are trees. Now I'll give you a little bit more simple example. Now this is a duck that is far away from me. I'll say that is a duck. Now there are three ducks. Now we will say those are ducklings. Those are ducklings. The word that is used for singular and the word those is used for plural, and also for those things that are far away from us. That are far away from us. Next one. This is a mango. Sorry, that is a mango. Those are mangoes. Now I have a mango that is far away from me, that is not near to me. So I'll say that is a mango. Now there are a lot of mangoes on a mango tree. So I'll say those are mangoes. That is a fish, and those are fishes, right? Those are fishes. Next one. Here's the bird that is far away from me. I'll say that is a bird, and we have more than one birds here. We will say those are birds. That is a house. As you can see, there is only one house, and that is far away from us. Just suppose this house is far away from us. So we will say that is a house, and those are houses.